everybody, it's just me. James is working again today, so I just thought I'd hop on really quickly and share with you my exciting package, which is down here, which I had yesterday delivered to me. Ooh. It's obviously backwards, but D23 around the world of Disney parks, the official Disney fan club. So now very excited to say that I am a member of D23, which is the official Disney fan club. Lots of you are probably going to have heard lots of things about the D23 Expo that happened in September this year, where they announced new things, new projects, new bits for the parks, loads of new stuff. It's D23 is something that I've always wanted to join, and I looked at joining during COVID and they weren't accepting applications from international visitors. So when I got back from Disney World, I emailed them and said, are you accepting applications now? And they said, yes, we can sort that out for you. So it means that in future I can officially attend D23 events, and they offer a number of these kind of things, special events and different tours and lots of different things every year, and you get exclusive merchandise, and it means, which is the primary reason I wanted to join D23, is that occasionally they offer tours of the Walt Disney Archives. Now, you can't get into the Walt Disney Archives unless you work there. You're on an Adventures by Disney tour or you're part of D23, and they occasionally offer archive tours of Walt Disney Studios to D23 members. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that they do at some point and I can get there and I can actually go and see the studios and look around the archives and things like that, because that just really find fascinating. Anyway, I'll show you what's in the box, do a bit of an unboxing, and then yeah, you can have a look. So this is the box it came in. Obviously it was packaged in a brown box as well. I joined, like I say, when I came back from Walt Disney World, probably end of September, beginning of October. It said it takes about 6 to 8 weeks to arrive. It came yesterday, so that was the 20th of October, so really quick turnaround. This is, now you can be a free member, but you don't get the invites to the events like you do. So I'm a gold member, and that costs $99.99. By the time I paid for shipping and things for the box, it was about $145, I think. But when you see what's inside, with just the value of what's in the box, you will understand that it's worth it. And you get free magazines every now and again, and once you renew you get a free gift every year. So yeah, let's dive into the box and see what there is. So lift the lid. Ta-da! There's the first thing, is a nice spangly certificate. D23 welcomes Sarah Taylor to the official Disney fan club. And yep, nice quality card certificate. And then also, if you look in the box, we can see I got a membership card, which I've put in upside down, and a little passport, which I'll show you in a minute. And we'll keep that for a minute. So let's just very quickly undo the membership card, gold member. I'll just cover up the membership number. There we go. So that's the membership card. And then we've got this little passport, which has got some information about D23. Welcome from the head of D23. And then a little bit about each of the 6 Disney parks. So we've got Anaheim, Orlando, Tokyo, Paris, Hong Kong and Shanghai. And then a little bonus section for Disney Cruise Line, and a little bit of background about Walt's plane, because Walt loved travel and had his own Grumman Gulfstream 1. And then these are the first little surprises that I didn't realise you got. So this, which is a metal luggage tag, really quite a very decent luggage tag, which will not be going on my luggage, not on my hold luggage anyway. I think I'm going to put it on my hand luggage so I don't lose it, because I would hate to lose it. So that's that one, and then you get a little bonus aviation pin, little Mickey wings, and that's in the passport box. And then if we lift this one up, you can see why the value is what it is now, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins. So that's 7 pins, and even if you only paid $10 a pin, which would be very, very cheap, there's $70 right there. And these are exclusive ones to D23. So you can see we've got the little world map as the base, and then we've got a Disneyland one and a Walt Disney World one with the arrow pointing to Florida, a little bonus Disney Cruise Line pin, a Disneyland Paris one, Disneyland Hong Kong, Disney Shanghai, and the Tokyo Disney Resort. And I like the little differences on the pins. You've got like a little Baymax, little Duffy Bear. What have we got on this one? Obviously the different castle. Hong Kong, I think. We've got the Haunted Mansion Little Monkey. Cruise Line Captain Mickey. Disneyland Paris is kind of in Disneyland Paris colours, which are always tend to be this pinky colour. Phantom Manor, the Eiffel Tower, Remy, the Disney World one. We've still got Figment and Epcot and monorails, Tree of Life, Tower of Terror, little orange bird there. Oh, I didn't see that. That's so cute, little orange bird. And the Disneyland one, we've got the Ferris wheel, Cozy Cove Motel, Haunted Mansion Ghost, Mr. Toad, his Wild Ride, Small World, and the castle. So yeah, really pleased with the D23. Hoping it's going to be worth joining. So I just thought I'd just share that with you and just let you know what it was. Any questions, ask away in the comments. I don't know if I'll be able to answer, but certainly give it a try.